Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up the donations function in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then look for the donations button and click on that. And then click on the setup recurring donations button. As you can see here, you can select a charity and you can set the donation rate as well, like how many percentage you want to donate after each sale. And once you did that, just click on the Start Recurring Donations button and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye!